Otakus with Style. On this video, I'm going to react and evaluate haircuts from anime characters. Let's go. Okay, Anya from the Spy Family. Okay, well, definitely she's got a really cool color. I love the pink hairstyle. So I would say that that's a really great haircut. It's a bob style with bangs. So the bangs are definitely great. The bob is great. I won't do this if your face is round, but if your face is oval or elongated, it will look great for you. I give this one an A. Definitely a good hairstyle. Okay. Miku. Miku is impossible to achieve. You're going to find 2 people on the planet that have the hair that long. But if you want to have your hair long, we'll say about this length, and do those bangs with that color, that's a fabulous style. I love the look and I definitely love the color. So if you can achieve that hair color, I will go for it. I'm going to give this an A. Okay, I really like this one. The Shiro from Blue Look. This style is fantastic. I love the layers. I love the style, the shape of the haircut. I like most all the haircuts from the show as well too. So this is not a surprise and I like the style. Now this hair color is going to be very difficult to do if it's not impossible. So I do love the style, but because it's going to be so difficult to achieve the color and I don't think a lot of you guys will do it, I'm going to give it just only a B. But I love the look. So go for it if you can do it. Senku from Dr. Stone. Okay, a lot of you guys have asked me this on the past. I remember about 2 years ago, a lot of people were asking me to do this style and I never did it, even though I want to do this really bad. So actually this is one of the looks that I'm going to do for sure on the channel because I think it's so spectacular, the finished look. But I love the idea of having this color that it goes from the light to that green. Is it realistic for people to do on a client? No, I think this is something that you do for cosplay if you want to do it. And I'm definitely going to do this style. I'm going to give this style because it's so unique an A, because I love the creativity that they put into this particular look on this character. Sanji, the One Piece. Of course you can do this hairstyle. Of course I love the style. This is definitely one of those that you can actually do in the salon and actually you can get done as a customer. I'm going to give it an A. I love it. I love the character as well too. And if you guys like this a lot, let me know and I'm going to try to make it for you guys on the channel so your barber or stylist can figure out how to cut it for you. Okay, so just let me know. I'm going to give it an A as I tell you.